Welcome, and follow me is a General Mobile GM9 Pro, and today I will show you how to transfer photos, videos, or any kind of file from, let's say, a phone to an SD card or vice versa. And to get started, all you need to do is pull up to the menu, and you will find Files app right here. Tap on it, just tap on Continue, and when you scroll down, okay, let's first activate it. So if you don't see anything below here, what you need to do is tap on the three dots and then show storage devices right here, and you will see the two different storage devices. So one is the phone itself and the other one is the SD card. And if you want to transfer photos or videos that you have captured with this device and you didn't have previously the SD card in the device, so you want to now move it to the SD card, you can find these photos in the internal storage under the DCIM folder, which is right here. And I believe I should either have one or none right here. Let's just see. Okay, so it's saved on the phone. Now I have just taken a photo of basically what you can see behind here, just for this purpose, so I have something to transfer. But the process basically works the same way for any kind of other file, video, music, or anything. And basically what you need to do is either select a single file, so like this photo, by holding it. You will see that it becomes blue and has this check mark. And when you select one by holding it, if you have more, you can just basically tap on it. I will actually show how that would function if I add one more photo like this. And now if we go back to here, there should be two photos. So let's see. There it is. So now there are two. So when you hold the first one, you'll see that it selects after a moment, and then the next one you can just tap on to select or deselect it. And that is basically how you would select it. And you can also, if you have multiple, basically lots of photos in a single folder, for instance like the camera, you probably wouldn't want to select each individually. So what you can do is just go back here where you have the camera, hold the entire folder, and it basically also becomes selected, and you can then tap on the three dots up here and select either copy or move to. Now move will remove it from where it is right now. So for this, it's on the phone, and we'll move it from the phone to the SD card. Or you can select copy, which will basically create additional copy of it, and you will have one on the phone and the other one on the SD card. Now, if you're trying to save up on space, I would advise on moving it. If you don't mind the space itself, like if your phone has enough of it, you can copy it just to be sure. But for this purpose, I'm just gonna select as move, and then you get a pop-up, so where you want to move it. Now you can also move it to internal storage, which is the phone, just in a different location. But if you're trying to save space, that kind of defeats the purpose. So we're gonna select SD card. And from here, there's not much on it. There's only the Android and just some kind of hidden folder. But you can also create one. If you're gonna move the entire camera, I would also create the DCIM folder, considering if you change the default location of the folder. Okay, I guess I cannot create this kind of folder, but so let's just move it here. It's gonna move the camera folder. So if I go back to here, you should see that there is now camera. It's been moved just now. And then there are the two photos that we have moved. Now, like I said, you can basically perform this with any kind of file also. So if you go into the documents and there would be something, you can basically also select it this way. As long as you, for instance, know where it is on your phone right here. So if I go to, let's just try to find something. Let's go to Android data. Now this advice on going here, but for some reason it doesn't show anything. So it doesn't really show any kind of files that I guess it doesn't recognize. But yeah, basically, like I said, you can copy anything the same way as you did with the photos and move it to anywhere on the phone or internal storage. So yeah, that is how you would copy it or move it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.